Hello, I Xposed you FM members. Subscribe and share your tumpa na wonsa I can be. Minim say election at but issues surrounding it now. You dissect even why MPP lost. A very controversial figure, A+. To say oh yeah MP honorable. Michiao. Oko shows that no Kasana host the business say why do you think Bawumia lost? And not because of Akufo Addo. Or say we are sure say because of Akufo Addo. You could see in by you
Him Bawumia personally.
Oh, of course.
Him personally.
Yes.
Why do you think he lost this election the way he did?
Akufo Addo intia.
President Akufo Addo.
Yes.
Na say Akufo Addo anko election.
Na sa say
abufu a amanfo woman no.
Yes. And omode to abati Bawumia. Ana Akufo Addo ona ama Bawumia egbegina bebi ogina no. Ya kan omo kan sam kire na.
Yes.
Bawumia problem a wenya nyina ye Nana Akufo Addo.
Yes.
Na obi a Nyankopon obi Akufo Addo me no nam ne ye campaign. Nyankopon ache owiase bibia Akufo Addo nkoma woni edi ye ne wo beye. Nyankopon ache bibia wo wiase bi. Wo gold, wo oil, wo silver, platinum, manganese, bauxite, wo timber, wo bibia. Wo suggest akwara bi tina la pass. Na Manchester ne Chelsea bobo. Na osi we be no na se ebe mu a just o ma obi no de ebu man enkwa no mto obanti Bawumia covid ba wiase obia wo wiase bia country bia airport e make sika from covid enkofo oba you betu sika for say Akufo Addo nko akofa Nigeria for mo betina airport ba gi sika ne de ko eno guchi enye bi Ministry of Health enye bi owie no sign the covid levy ba say ma gi sika na ma me nkrofo ne di na mo sama me covid levy nkan a better than Bawumia lose election.
And you feel say
and he's not and he's not a good leader.
Why is he not a
because
good
he couldn't have control on the party. Where MPP as a party. Regional chairman ya bronye.
Adena sa man for netomano. What
Regional chairman ye won to me.
Now
Morris Ampao etechiri. These are the people Akufo Addo likes. Backing vocalist Morris Ampao. Won't to many abroad your performing no Morris Ampao Emma backing vocal. A better than Bawumia lose election.
Omo contest election no winning.
Na said that that is the standard Akufo Addo set yama omo. We perform it a next artist we have a group a Morris Ampao ne won't to me omo a group. Next artist omo ba na backup vocalist Morris Ampao not techiri. No you no kasan grofon here.
And who feel say votes in be a protest vote against Nana Addo.
My sister Ghana for ba abontin beto aba say Nana Addo ni ho na MDC for mo yomo nyoma ye na sanko for ato aba en say be affect yomo. A protest vote kese pa Akufo Addo vote to major sanitation levy. Sanitation levy so be ma Accra there is neatest a way in the whole Africa. Any the whole problem I be MPP could say any baby about
A+ is somebody I respect because he speaks the truth. And some A+ kind in no kweto. Akufo Addo who wan hitina your friend say obi to say Patrick Buama or Kankwe Central. One say anya Patrick nti o. Kwa Patrick kwa ye bia ma we no but MPP a Akufo Addo dia nti betu. Me who be that? Opia Wuba would over 1 million votes in the incumbents. Year 2 no 1.7. Opia Wuba MPP was united say MPP synthesis. Like he's saying, God gave everything to the man Akufo Addo, but he did little with it. Okay, some of the decisions that he took are as if said there's no tomorrow. Some of the decisions I can never understand. COVID, like he said, people were making money. Ghana was losing. COVID acquired over 3-4 years, but we are still charging COVID levy. And you want people to vote for you? Obi has a kotoko bobo. Mr. has be winning. Mr. we be winning. Now me am bet me am again am the year. My vote data the year. Me we ask me 10%. And you think they will vote for you? Now Jimmy Crown, I shan't win your stronghold. Oto fo nyansa, say Okofo no che hospital say mesiesie Uka prenim otu for no one sick $5 million and buy owie other people supported. Yakwa kranya maba o stronghold o say muntua tax what? And you expect to win? Hey. And you know one kasana ni ayo. Because these are the things which brought down MPP. At a point in time, now there was arrogance. Gabio Chedaku, arrogance, pride, genuine pride. When he's talking, then he's laughing. You are taking Ghanaians for a fool. They're not fools. And I'm a tax bill. Tax bill said, maybe MPP me tutiomo. And I'm saying, yes, me pesa, we are Ghanaian, we are MPP ni. Domahama Sobano Jimia, Tutsiano. They need to know, say, we are up here. We are not dumb. What baby, I'm say, Chada Kraba, number 2 money, we are say, Chada Onyanya Meto, we need to up the game. Game no ya Jimia Chadodo. There be any fam, no mu Jimmy Chaye, no mu Jimmy. We need to show them where power lies. Matese Akufo keka na John Mahama kra de obey fa ne best sponsor John Mahama opa atwaye no so re fa bad sports minister not line now the same line na Akufo eto ye na olusi ye no ye bi 7 years when ade wo ba we year kai say injirima NDC for they will come back for power again no they will come and beg us for power they be am say we are the masters they are the servants. Because every 4 years they come to beg us to vote for them. We are giving them jobs. If you don't know the power that you have. It's hard. Na assembly esi anameti ase. Me who say you to declare say you can't abandon your. There are laws which need to be followed. Some of the scenes show say there was intimidation at the counting. Yango
Let them do what they want to do. Let them do their work. I said, let them do their work. What kind of plan is that? Let them do their work. Let them declare.
You see, we are not in a jungle. We are not animals. We are whipping into line. You civilized people. You are be. Now you are be so dia. You are too aba. You kind of a fair film. Aba ni atoni for fair na. Oh, Sandodum. I'm saying, oh, this man, you are so uncouth. What in me a crowd? What in me? Look at the way you are behaving. Electoral Commission, constitutionally what? Mandated to declare results. After that, you are putting them under threat. Na ekoti ya manamo kasa. Mamo nyesa. Ghana eba kupe. Wa utumika. Ekoso Electoral Commission mu say ye adwuma na so ye no. Wo shame unto you. Also ya France a collection center. Sami David Jimmy or friend now so dear so shame unto Jimmy and Jimmy. Because that is not your duty. See a do pempen so be a abano koto anu eja ona kofi. Let's put in systems which work. And it starts by he said you may use powers of the president's electoral commission, which means that the power of the president, ultimately appointing electoral commission. That is where we have true election in Ghana. The IGP, not appointed by the president. Now, people that you appointed them back by law, and then Matije Mensa, they want to push you out. What have you done? What has he done? Because there's a different party in power. Ochina MPP ba obi Jimmy we yede kwahe. Ade Jimmy sa. Ochina we ba na you should put ade Jimmy do omo ye Ghana for. Ene na me ba na obi ka che girl be minister himself MPP no any so say you've lost. Na me say MPP wan Ghana ni. I say Ghana ni. NDC ne Ghana ni. I say Ghana na me see lost na o pacha no I say. Ghana has won. The youth, let's be wise. We have the destiny in our hands. Manya Feli Ghana. Hi, Xposed your chef and members. But also subscribe my made it to balance. I can be Manuel. Bye bye.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.